on the job, sometimes it's not just you. You have to learn, how to work with different types of people. Because one day you're going to be doing a job and you got to get stuff done. You're going to have to learn how to get along with people.
My favorite part about the program is whenever we actually get to go into the shop and we get to do hands-on, like actually welding.
It's hard work, but at the same time, if you understand what you're doing, it's very easy and it becomes fun.
I would recommend is that girls definitely do this. It's very detail oriented, and if you're really well organized, I would really recommend it.